Hey, this is Michael with the World of How To. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tail lights in your pickup. You know, most pickups, they're pretty much the same. They're going to have a screw on the inside. This is a 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. You want a T15 on this particular one. Some of the Colorados have Phillips head, some of them have T15s. I don't know why. So you're going to take this bolt right here, or the screw, out. And you're going to take this screw out. Alright. Now if this is your first time taking this tail light off, it's going to be a little bit tight. But you want to come straight out. It's going to sound like you're breaking it, but as long as you come straight out, you should be fine. Alright. You'll see we got it out. Now, I'm going to replace the backup bulb. So you're right here. You just pop it out, and you're going to pop your new one in. Like so. Alright, from what I'm hearing, some of these LEDs you got to check the polarity. Like, put it in reverse. If it comes on, it's good. If not, take it out, flip it at 180, and put it back in. So. Alright. Alright, there we go. The backup light is working. It's definitely brighter than the other one. So we're going to install it. Push it in. And then to reinstall this light, you're just going to pick it up. Right there, that bottom hole, and you're going to push them in. Like so. And then you're going to put your screws in. And there you go, you have replaced your backup light in your truck. And as you can see, the LED is a lot brighter than the incandescent bulb, which is why I wanted to go with them. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.